Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I used AI to design and make a dragon puppet. First, I go to ChatGPT and open a new chat. I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me plan my dragon puppet and create the right prompts for AI. This helps me know exactly what to ask the image generator. Now I ask ChatGPT to give me prompts that I can use in Grok AI. ChatGPT creates detailed prompts for a cute dragon puppet with simple shapes. These prompts are important because they help the AI create the right design. After that, I opened Grok AI. I copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it into Grok. Then I generate the dragon image. Grok AI creates the dragon design. I look at the images and choose the one I like the most. Once I decide, I save the image to use as my puppet design. After that, I repeat the steps for all scenes and make the animated for dragon. Please keep watching all the steps. Using ChatGPT and Grok, AI made the design process really easy. I can move my puppet, make it talk. Now I put some more samples video for you that are generated. Why me?